Hi, today we are going to work with Microsoft Access. You need to type from your search button either Microsoft Access or you have to just type ACCESS, or you can say Access or SS. It depends on your pronunciation, how you are going to pronounce it. So Access is a software which is used for creating the database, creating the tables, like we are creating in MySQL or we are creating in any other database management system software. So how to go with it? You have to just click on the Access, you have to open it, and you can just click on the blank document, that is blank database. Blank database, you click on it and automatically it will say this is a blank database. That means what? Every table will be in a particular database, which we have already worked in MySQL and all, that we need to create a database before creating any table in it. So we just create a database, and my battery is little low, no issues. So you just create this with the name, whether you want to give the name the same or you want to give any other name to it, so you can give it. So what you will do, you just click on the create, and this is the method how you are going to create this. Automatically there will be a table 1 which is automatically over there, or you can create a new table. How you can create a new table? Click on the create, click on the table, and then you have to see this table will be table 2. So now you can put the fields to it. We know we have already done MySQL. If you have not done MySQL, you can just creating a table means you are making the rows and columns, you are making the data in rows and columns. So how you can work with, there are the two ways, whether you are working with a particular data sheet view or a design view. So if you click on the design view, you need to save the table that you have opened. So for example, table 2 I'm going to work. So I say your name is student, because for example I am creating the table for student. So I have given the name. Now it is giving me your design view, where you can design the fields, that what are the different fields you want to go with, what are the different data types for the fields you want to go with, and your data sheet view is actual data you want to put in. So for example, by default it is giving you that ID is by default, and if you don't want that ID should be there, because in student there should be roll number, so you can change it from this position. Then you can navigate this view from this position, from the right bottom corner, or you can just click on the view here, and there are the two views again. You can just, this is your table design view. From here also you can shift. So roll number is a field which should be which type of, we know that it should be the type of auto number, or if it is not auto number, you can just give it which type of data you want to give. So for example, I want to give it a number type, so I say number. So these are the properties you can set. We will see later on in the coming sessions how it is going to be, but today we are just working how to create a database and how to make a table in your Microsoft Access. Okay, so roll number. Now click on here, and if you want to give another field to it, so you will say roll number is this, and you will say name, and just name should be the text format. Okay, so we just click what it is saying, reserve words are there. So I'm just no worries, so I say okay. So no worries. If you click on it, you want long text, short text, that is your choice, you can give it. Okay, now if you, okay, this is my table, that should be roll number, and that should be, in this table that should be name and this. So you just click on it, and it will say you want to save this. Yes. Now you will see your fields in your data sheet view. This is your data sheet view. You can click on here, and you can just click on the data sheet. Now you will be able to give the numbering to it, and put a tab and give the name Annie. So put a tab for the second, give the name Mini. So in this way you create a table without any primary key and all. We will see that in the coming sessions, but today we were just focusing how Microsoft Access is there, and how we are going to create a database, and how we are going to create a table in it. In a database, there can be, in other database management system softwares, there can be multiple tables in one particular database. So this is a database, my database name is database 3, and in my database 3 there are 2 tables, so I can make more tables, but today we are just making this table. So this is my student table. In the similar manner, you can click on the table one and you can change the name to it anywhere, and this is how you can make the data rows and columns and all. So this is all about the introductory part of your Microsoft Access. In this way you can work with Microsoft Access. In the coming sessions, for the Microsoft Access series, we will see lots and lots of things which are there in Microsoft Access. So I think that's it for today. If you really feel my content is useful, please put thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe the channel. And which is really that if you subscribe my channel, I it will be very great for me, and it will be encouraging for me to make the other videos also. So please subscribe my channel,